Top 7 Best Free Bitcoin Apps. Number 7. Xapo. Xapo enables users to store cryptocurrency and also acts as a Bitcoin debit card. It integrates convenience with security, which makes transferring currency to others quick and easy. Number 6. Blockfolio. This app will send notifications when Bitcoin has reached a particular edge and keep you up to date with Bitcoin news. However, it's not ideal for day traders, as you have to enter your cryptocurrency holdings manually. Number 5. Cointracking. Cointracking is for serious traders who are looking for a user-friendly experience. This app creates pie charts of your portfolio and allows you to calculate metrics like realized and unrealized gains and reports for tax declaration. Number 4. Spectre Coin. The Spectre Coin mobile Bitcoin wallet allows you to easily trade and receive Bitcoin. Another perk: 99% of Spectre Coin's digital currency is stored in protected offline storage. Number 3. Coinbase. This Android app is one of the most highly recommended apps for taking care of your Bitcoin wallet. The wallet is what allows you to not only buy and sell digital currency, but also has features to help you to best manage your cryptocurrency. Number 2. Spare. Spare allows Bitcoin holders to quickly and conveniently turn their Bitcoin into cash, without using an ATM. Users request cash and then receive a barcode, which they take to a store. The cashier scans the code and gives the Spare user cash in exchange. Number 1. Bitcoin Ticker. The Bitcoin Ticker app helps you keep track of the Bitcoin price at all times. It displays the current price in the currency of your choosing, and you can even customize the refresh rate. At last, here are some of the most common questions people ask when it comes to the best cryptocurrency exchanges. What features are important to look at when deciding on an exchange? There are a few major features we consider, including the number of tokens and coins available, the price or commission charged, the ease of use, the security of the platform, the customer service, and the features, such as cryptocurrency savings accounts. What's the difference between a crypto exchange and a crypto wallet? A wallet is designed for the safe storage of your cryptocurrency. Exchange is designed to allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrency easily and quickly. A wallet will hold the security of your private key, while when you use an exchange, you provide the exchange of your private keys. The exchange then acts as your custodian. How do you buy cryptocurrency? You open an account at any of these exchanges, deposit your funds, and then you can exchange your USD or fiat currency for the cryptocurrency of your choosing. Some cryptocurrencies only have specific pairs they trade with, so depending on what you want to buy, you may need to buy something like Bitcoin, and then exchange the Bitcoin for another token. How much money do you need to get started? You can get started with most of these exchanges with as little as $5. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button for more amazing videos and be sure to subscribe and share this video.